Hello, dear friends. Today we're going to learn an amazing yet quick and professional technique for retouching skin. In this tutorial, you will discover one of the easiest and fastest ways to achieve a clear skin tone while preserving its natural texture. This technique is designed to be suitable not only for beginners but also for professionals. Join me as I share the secrets of skin retouching and help you create stunning images. Before we start the skin retouching tutorial, I kindly ask you to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you will stay updated with the latest tutorials and interesting Photoshop tips, so you won't miss any of our videos. Now let's dive in and learn this incredible technique. In this video, I have included the plugin installation tutorial at the end. You will also find the download link in the description below. If you have any questions or need more help, let us know in the comments. Enjoy your workflow. To enhance your image, you can click on the Soft Light Layer option. This will allow you to use the brush tool to soften specific areas of the image. Work carefully on the areas that need softening. Once you're done with this step, make sure to change the layer's blending mode to soft light so you can clearly see the changes. This will help to blend the texture and light in your image beautifully and harmoniously. If you have any questions, feel free to ask for help. The Retouch4ME plugin is a professional tool that will help you achieve the desired results in the shortest possible time. To install the plugin, first download it. Download link is in the description. And then extract the zip file. Then go to the extracted folder and click on the Retouch4ME folder. Follow the installation steps as shown in the video. If Photoshop was open during the installation, simply close it and reopen it. The plugins are now added to your Photoshop and you can use them easily. By subscribing to our channel, you will be informed about the latest videos and amazing tips on photo editing. Thanks for watching this video and see you next time.